This is cat number 3. Number 3.
We got number 3 cat over here. Bring the camera over here. Look at this crazy cats. You see that? If I were to put my real hand out there, they'd freak out. Stop.
Calm down. Calm down.
Quit. See me.
Give him a kiss.
Bring the camera up to him again.
Ow! Ow!
Ow! Quit.
Calm down.
My bad. I'm sorry. I remember better. Bring the camera up to him again. So he does.
You attacked my hand. Ow!
He said, come here, son.
Bacon! Oh, this
Okay.
camera. Psycho cat. Oh, look at his ears, got hair in it. Oh my gosh!
Oh!
He's just gonna have rabies, man, I'm telling you.
You okay?
Alright, calm down, little kitty. We're just here to set you free. We gotta calm you down. Then you go around killing other cats.
These are the cats we just caught in our yard, dude. It's crazy. Land. The hair on the okay?
Just stare at, look at this. Sorry.
You want you said?
No, whatever.
Maybe let it go in a second.
Oh, dude! You're gonna kill yourself, cat. I'm trying to let you go.
Ow. Okay, fine then. You're not gonna let it go.
Come on, little kitty.
Quit.
Quit. Calm down.
Quit.
Calm down.